Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if is not charging on Realme 16. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all check your charger and power cable. After check your power cable and charger, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button and you will see restart device from here. After restarting, enter your phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so enable fast charging. Click on settings app and click on battery. After click on battery, so here showing you fast charging. So if you want to fix this problem, so enable fast charging. After enable fast charging, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if is not charging on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.